Okay, welcome everybody. Yeah, my first time here. Anyways, I just thought to share this though. I'm predicting about a 1,000 pip drop on GBPUSD, as you can see. Now we are on the weekly time frame. I've drawn my levels. These blue lines are my key levels. Then, then you see this line. This line just shows that this is still the price I'm expecting GBPUSD to go to. Because how did I get this line? This line, if we take this line and put it in here, this line is just the amount of time, it's just the price, the level of price from year to year. It shows that price ranged in this level for this amount of time. And the general rule of price action is once price trends, sorry, what they call it, one price ranges for a specific amount of pips and it breaks out of that range, either to the upside or to the downside, it will range for the same amount of specific type of pips. So there has been a break of this range here, and there's a retest. There have been a break and retest. And I also noticed on the weekly time frame there's a double top which has been formed. There was a double top formed which indicated that the price was actually going to come down. Though from here, if I was trading at this point, from here supposing the double top, I would have targeted here. But since the break of the structure, since the break of the range, and there has been a retest of the range. No, it's a weekly time frame. There has been a retest of the range. Then surely, and you can even see the price has come down. And this is the time where price GDP USD has formed the all time low. It got to parity. So I'm still expecting price to go down to like it has not gotten to full parity, but still go down like 1.0. But temporarily, you can see there's a trend line that is built from there and a big retracement here, a very big retracement. In this retracement, you see that price came to retouch this trend line. It came to test this trend line, and this trend line, this is third touch. And the third touch of the trend line, this is another price action. Third touch of the trend line, once price touches the trend line for the third time, that is where the big moves comes. So yes, I'm still expecting price to move down to somewhere even around there. But though this is my overall place, this is the range, but price might make a big move down here because this is the third touch of the trend line here, the third touch of the trend line here. So going down to the daily, on the daily, I the trend line from the weekly time frame, this trend line is still very valid. Then I noticed an area of resistance around here. It's a minor area of resistance, but I normally draw with a yellow line, a minor area of resistance, and I mostly try to trade with counter trend lines because counter trend lines help help me to confirm. Because though my general rule will be once the price breaks through this counter trend line, there is nothing that it want to tell me the price is going to come down at least to form an 100% to touch the 100% place. And because once price touches the 100%, this 100%, that's my first level target. Price can decide to reverse. And in price action, I'm giving you a lot of price action stuff here. In price action, if price touches the 100%, it is going to it is if price wants to reverse, sorry, if price wants to reverse, it must at least touch the 100% retracement before it finally reverses to the upside. So if GDP USD at all wants to retrace to the upside, it must give me an 100% retracement down here. Once it does that, then maybe by forming the double bottom, then probably the price would reverse. But so far so good. We still have like over 1,000 pips drop, so I'm still expecting price to drop. So I'll leave that for later. Then maybe when price gets to this level, I'll reanalyze and see whatever it is that is there. Then going on to the forward time frame. On the forward time frame, I noticed something. That when I first spotted something like a double top being formed on the 4 hour time frame. So If you look at this area here, this is a top. If you look at this area here, this is another top. That's that's that is what they call it. That's a chart pattern or a chart pattern, and they call it double top. Though this top is higher than this top, which is also even a better confluence for me to show that the price is going to actually is going down. And the first level target should normally be this should be the neckline of the double top. So there are so many confluences to tell me that okay, price is still coming down to this level at least, which is over 1,000 pip drop, which is like this is 1,005, 1,000, okay, 1.1514. Then this, so you still have about 1,000 pip drop. So my bias for GDP is very, very, very much bullish and bearish. But conservatively, I would only be looking to enter this trade if price breaks through this. I would be very sure price is coming. Though I'm already sure because of the double top has been formed, a trend line has been formed. On the weekly time frame, it tells me the market is bearish. But to be extra safe, to be extra sure that this market is still coming down here, once it breaks through this level, I'll be 100% sure that this price is coming down and it will test. I would be looking to enter this trade. Though normally I would look to enter this trade at the counter trend line, but I could also enter this trade around this place. And if I enter this trade around this place at the break of this structure and probably a retest, I could be looking at, and my overall target to be here for now because going down there, I have no idea what is going on down there because down there is a no man's land. Then I'll be looking to, once I enter over this level, I'll be looking to maybe put my stops above this level because once price breaks to this level, I believe it's coming down. So I just place around there, which is about 97.5 pips, which is good. And the risk to reward ratio is about 10.6 now, which is very, very good. And my price drop from this level is 10,042. So imagine at this level, even if I enter here, I'm still going to get about 1,000 pips drop, which is not a loss. So I'll be waiting patiently for this. Though this can take months to pan out, like I'm still looking at it maybe till December. Probably this will pan out. But if it doesn't pan out by December, probably by January. Yeah, but I'll be holding the long term trade. Yeah, that's it about GDPUSD. Anything you need, that's I just tried to share. You guys can like, subscribe. If you want me to drop more videos, I would I would do that. I'm just testing the waters on this YouTube. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Um, yeah, thumbs up. And let me know in the comment section whether you like my analysis or whether you don't. Tell me what you think, and I would I will reply you. Thank you.